Buenos dias. We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this town located in Spain. We're going to be looking at how to say more interesting names of Spanish cities and towns too, so make sure to stay tuned for those. So how do you pronounce this? Well, this is located in Catalonia region in the province of Barcelona. Therefore, it is not pronounced like normal Spanish, Castellano Spanish, but rather in Catalan. This is why this is said as Sitges. Sitges. If it was Spanish, it would be said more as Sitges, but no, it's Catalan, so Sitges. Sitges is how it is to be said, and now you know. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting names of famous cities in Spain, and more Spanish words that many mispronounce. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.